Got a backyard bash planned this weekend? Don't want any tequila rain dumping on your fiesta? Go ahead and pause your sprinklers while your friends are over. No worries. ImoLaza's water delay feature lets you easily suspend schedules for those special occasions. Water delay gives you two options: custom date or today and the next one to 7 days. Let's start with today and the next one to 7 days. This is great for those last-minute short-term deals. Scroll down to see the 1 to 7 day delay options starting today. Once set, you'll see white bars shown on the calendar timeline, visually indicating the durations where all schedules are delayed and will not run during those days. Now let's look at the other way, custom date. Tap on water delay again and select custom date. Here you can choose a date range to put all irrigation schedules on hold. Just set a start and end date to define the time period. Done. Finally, tap apply to confirm and activate the changes. There we go. Schedules are now suspended for our selected dates. The white bars show the days when everything is paused. Controller will automatically hold schedules for your party days. Super easy! That's how you delay all irrigation schedules. We hope this video is helpful. For more information, please visit our website at imolaza.com.